Hello, little dreamers. Welcome to. Today we're having a bubble blowing extravaganza. Do you love bubbles? Me too. Let's see how many bubbles we can make. Look at this. What do you think will happen when I blow? Let's find out. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Blow. Wow, so many bubbles. Can you pretend to catch one? Catch, pop. What color do you see inside the bubbles? Bubbles come in all shapes and sizes. Let's try making a giant bubble. Shall we count together? 1, 2, 3. Blow. Whoa, that was huge. Can you try blowing a big bubble too? Did you know you can make bubbles with different things? Let's try using a straw. Dip it in and blow gently. Look at that. You can even make bubbles using your hands. Let's try. Make a circle with your fingers, dip them in and blow. Wow, give it a go. Now let's play a game. I'll blow lots of bubbles and you try to pop as many as you can. Ready? Go. Pop, pop, pop. How many did you pop? That was amazing. Bubbles are so much fun, aren't they? You can even make your own bubble solution at home with water, washing up liquid, and a little sugar. Ask a grown-up to help and have your own bubble party. What was your favorite part of today's bubble fun? Tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me again for more fun on Keep Dreaming and Playing. Bye-bye.